Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I am Karthik, and in today's video, I am again going to do this topic. Like in previous videos, I have done this topic, this thing, but in a single video. Now I am going to make a whole video on this thing. This is very important thing I am going to tell you. Okay. So this is x plus 1 by x is given as 5. Okay. So we have to find x square plus 1 by x square. See, you have to just use a simple logic. X plus 1 by x whole square will be equal to 5 square. How? Because this is equal to 5. So this square will also be equal to 5 square. Okay. X plus 1 by x square will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 x 1 by x. X into 1 by x will be cancelled. Equal to 25. X square plus 1 upon x square equal to 25 minus 2 equal to 23. So now I am going to explain you. I have written it. See, if you see over here, x plus 1 by x equal to 5. X plus 1 by x whole square will also be equal to 5 square. Sorry. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x will be equal to 25. As we know, 25 is 5 square. So x plus 1 by x square, there was plus 2. So it will go there and become minus 2. So 25 minus 2, it is 23. Answer. Which is which option? 25, 10, 23 and 27. Option C will be our correct answer. Now let's come to our next question. I am going to erase this. No. Yes. So x plus 1 by x is given as 2 over here. We have to find x cube plus 1 upon x cube. This has to be found by us. Okay. So now we will start. X plus 1 by x whole cube equals to 2 cube. Okay, you might have understood this. This was same as before we have done cubing on both sides. You know whole cube is a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So it will be x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 in x into 1 by x, it is nothing. So this will be cut and only what will be left? X plus 1 by x equal to 2 into 2 into 2 meaning 8. Okay. X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3x plus 1 by x have been given, which is 2. So 3 into 2 equal to 8. X cube plus 1 by x cube will be equal to 8 minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So 8 minus 2, it will be 2. So 2 has become our answer. Now let's come to our next question. So in this question, it is a bit different. You can see x plus 1 by x is 3. We have to find x to the power 6 plus 1 upon x to the power 6. I am having I don't know what do we say it, Hichki in Hindi. Okay. So firstly, we have to break this. it becomes x3 into x2, meaning firstly we will do cube and then square. Okay, we can write it as x plus 1 upon x whole cube equal to 3 cube. See, if it is in MCQ form, this question, so you can do like, for cubing you have to do x cube minus 3 into x. X is a variable, for example, it has been given to us. So x is this, x plus 1 by x, let we consider it y. X plus 1 by x equal to y. So you have to just use this formula, y cube minus 3y. Okay, if it is plus, and if minus is given, then just opposite of this, y cube plus 3y. Okay, so I'll tell you in the both the ways, firstly by solving also and then by method also. X cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 x plus 1 by x equal to 27. X cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 9 equal to 27. X cube plus 1 by x cube equals to 18. Okay, so we have found out x cube plus 1 by x cube, which has become our 18. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to just convert it into x6 plus 1 by x6. And how will we do that? We will do it by simply multiplying it by power 2. Okay, yes. So how will we square it? I also have one trick for it. Okay, for squaring, if it is plus in between, x plus 1 by x is given, so you have to do p square minus 2. P I have told you, so you will do y square minus 2 if it is in MCQ. Okay, and if it is x minus x is given, so you will do just opposite, you will do plus 2. Okay, now let's do x cube plus 1 by x cube has come our 18. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square equals to 18 square, because the values are same, and if you multiply by power 2 on both the sides, so it will also be same. Okay, so x6 plus 1 upon x6 plus 2 equal to 18 square. What is this? I have to multiply it. 18, 8, 8 the 64. Oh, I know, 324. Okay, 324. So x6 plus 1 upon x6 equal to 322. Now, if it is in MCQ, so it will take a lot of time. How will you do it? Just use the trick. Now I'll tell you the first method. We have found out this, okay, by filling up all this space on the board. I'll just keep writing this answer 322 over here. Okay, so we can check our answer. Now let's see. Firstly, we had to do cube. Cube I told you how. Y cube minus 3y. So what is y given? Y over here is 3. So 3 cube minus 3 into 3, which is 27 minus 9, 18. Okay, now what I told you for square one, p square minus 2. Okay, so same thing, 18 square minus 2 we will do, which is 324 minus 2, hence 322. In MCQ we have got the answer 322, which is coming as same as the solution one. So you might have understood this trick. I'll again tell you this trick. On the corner I will write, because I won't solve this again. Okay, yes, over here. Oh, what was the trick? Yes, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to y cube minus 3y. And for okay, so I have told you this. Now let's come to our next question, which is, yes, this one is a little bit confusing. I'll tell you how. Yes, x4 plus 1 by x4 equal to 194. Find x plus 1 by x. This is simple. Okay, this you have to, there is no trick simply, or you can do it without trick also. Just see what is the nearest square before this number, nearest to this number, which is 196 square of 14. So here will come 14, and for it will be converted into x square plus 1 by x square. Now to convert it into x plus 1 by x, what will you do? You will see the nearest square near to 14, which is 16, and 16 you all know is the square of 4. So x plus 1 by x will be 4, but I have to solve it for you all, which is x square plus 1 by x square whole square equal to x4 plus 1 by x4 plus 2. Okay, you might have understood, I just wrote the formula. So we all know 194 plus 2 equal to 196 equal to 14. See, 14 have come. How? Because it is square. So to convert it into x square plus 1 by x square, what will you do? Root on 196. Okay, meaning 196 root. What it is? It is 14. Okay. So now again you will do the same method. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to 14 plus 2 equal to 16 equals to 4, because you will do root of 16 to find out this value. Okay, now our answer have come same as always, so you can do just by trick I told you. Okay, now let's come to our last question. It is a very confusing question. Okay, according to me, to solve it you should not use any trick. Instead you should solve it by on the usual method. Okay, because it will be more beneficial for you. And don't keep using this trick during the exam until unless the question given to you is MCQ form. Okay, yes, x plus 1 by x as always is 3 plus 2 root 2. Very confusing. Yes, find x cube minus 1 by x cube. This is x minus 1 by x. In next video, I'll make the questions for x minus 1 by x also. This video is only for x plus 1 by x. There are questions like minus also. But this question I will make you do. It is very confusing question. Okay. So x minus 1 by x whole cube equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 cube. And you know 3 plus 2 root 2 is a 2-digit number. So the cube of it will be using the formula. Not like normal into 3 into 3. Okay. So just do it. X cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 x minus 1 by x. Just use the formula. 3 cube minus 2 root 2 cube minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Wait, 3 into 3 into 2 root 2. Here will be plus because it is the plus. Okay. Into 3 plus 2 root 2. Now you have to solve it by formula. X cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x, what is the value? 3 plus 2 root 2. Meaning x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 plus 2 root 2 equal to 3 cube, what it is? 27. 8 into 2 cube, which is 16 root 2 plus 3 3 the 9. 9 into 2 root 2, 18 root 2. 18 root 2 bracket 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so wait, my line is going like this. I have to make it straight and up. Okay, again like this. Okay, now I will sit and teach you. Okay, so x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 9 plus 6 root 9 minus 6 root 2 equal to 27 plus 16 root 2 plus 18 root 2 plus 16 root 2. It is 34 root 2 bracket 3 into 2 root 2. Wait, what is 3 into 2 root 3 plus 2 root? 34 root 2 into 3. 30, 16, 94, 90, 100, 2 root 2 plus 34 into 2, 34 root 2 into 2, 34, 30, 68, 68 root 2 into root 2, 68 into 2, 120, 136, 136. Okay, so now I have to solve this. X cube minus 1 by x cube equal to 6 root 2 plus 102 root 2. 108 root 2 plus 27 936. 136 plus 36. 172. So our answer is 108 root 2 plus 172. So friends, in this video, we will do only this much question. I hope you might have loved this video. See, I've got the answer of this thing. Okay friends, in next video, we will do something else. I've told you as you always. So, bye bye till then.